welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. A few mates and I do a lot of camping and outdoor activities, mainly and eating and drinking, to be honest. But we do buy a lot of stuff. Stuff being our general term for kit, of which we've got some of it here in front of us. When I was shopping around, I watched a lot of reviews and realised that there were some gaps, or it was in a different language and I couldn't understand it. So I decided, what the heck, I bought all this stuff myself, let's give it a review. So I've never done this before, as you can probably tell. I'm not doing it for the money, I'm doing it because I found them useful and I thought you might. So over the coming weeks and months, I'll be doing a lot of videos on a lot of stuff, some of which is in front of us. I'll be mainly focusing on Petromax and Burgo stuff to start off with, as I've got a lot of that. And I've set out the vast majority of my Petromax kit in front of us. And we're going to go through and do reviews of everything that you can see in front of us. So we'll go and have a look in more detail at the stuff before we set about doing the reviews. Okay.